Hey, tuba players, ever struggle with muddy articulations or missing notes? Try this. So there are three aspects to making a sound. The first two are air in the lips, and those create the vibrations, which is the buzz. The next one is the tongue, and the tongue doesn't actually create sound, but it provides clarity of articulation. So if you ever go to play and you're not getting immediate sound when you exhale, it's probably because there's not any vibrations. And this could be happening for two things. You might be too open, so if you're trying to breathe, if your lips are too open, they're not going to create a buzz, or too much pressure. If you're trying to push it out as much as you can, there's no opening in the aperture, so you're not creating any vibration. So again, inhale, just close your lips slightly and blow the air to start. So, and just let it open naturally. If you like this tip, follow me for more.